Meaning of heterotroph.
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 Heterotroph. A heterotroph is an organism that cannot produce its own food and must consume other organisms or organic matter to obtain nutrients. This includes animals, fungi, and many bacteria. Heterotrophs exist in a wide variety of forms and functions, and can be found in nearly all ecosystems on Earth. They play a vital role in the food chain as consumers of other organisms, and their consumption of organic matter helps to recycle nutrients throughout the ecosystem. Without heterotrophs, ecosystems would lack the diversity and complexity needed to sustain life as we know it.